Hi, I'm Kathryn Eyring and I'm an all-year gardener. Today is October 10th, 2021 and I'd like to show you what's in the garden. This is some of today's harvest. I have a lot more waiting to be processed and preserved for the winter time. Just 2 days ago, I planted my broccoli for the spring harvest. I will be eating by March 2022 all of this broccoli. Now I'm enjoying fennel in my salads, freezing some for the winter. I made a new friend this week. Little finger eggplants are delicious and they have been abundant this year. I've grown them in my backyard and also in the front. Okra is delicious, especially in soups and stews. Celtis is a new heirloom vegetable for me this year, and it's a delicious replacement for lettuce. Dacone radishes are delicious, raw or cooked. Plant some Egyptian walking onions and you will never run out of onions again. I always have some pink celery on hand and I use it every day. Not everybody loves beets like I do, but I'll bet you everybody would enjoy eating beet leaves. I'm waiting patiently for the first frost because then I will go into my bed of sweet potatoes and see what I have to harvest. This asparagus should last me another 20 years. Lots of salad fixings around with the green onions, carrots, how about some Chinese cabbage? Maybe we'll have some red raspberries for dessert. And there's always a few jalapenos just for my grandson. Here's something else I'm looking forward to, snow peas. And they're just starting to flower, which means the vegetable will be next. There's a few tomatoes that are left, but let's go into my front yard where I have mini bell peppers, jalapenos, which I prefer because they're not hot, regular green peppers, more eggplant. These are pimento peppers. They're still green, they're not ripe yet, but here's one that's already turned red. And I'm preparing beans for this winter's soups, pumpkins, being made into pumpkin butter. Here's a typical meal these days, a medley of vegetables with just a little bit of rice. Thank you for looking at my garden with me. I encourage everyone to garden all year long.